What does the rooster say? Say to make the sound. You always messing with stuff. You're supposed to be looking at the chicken. What he say, Jaden? What did he say, Jaden? That's the rooster making that noise. Come on, let's get ready to go. Want to go see the horses? Come on, let's go see the horses. Come on, big boy. Mama, big boy. You do not want to leave these roosters. Ooh, they like you, Jaden. Stop. You can't be mean. No, we're about to go. You're supposed to be a good boy when we come to the zoo. Come on, Jaden. Mommy's leaving. Mommy's leaving, Jaden. The airplane. Huh? It's what? Let's go. Come on. We gotta go see something else. You can't stay by the chickens all day. He will not leave these chickens. Oh my gosh. What? No, you couldn't stick your glasses in there. Jaden, let's go. Can we please leave the chicken? I mean the rooster. He will not let us leave these roosters. Don't stick your glasses in there. We need those glasses. Bye, Jaden. Mommy's leaving. Come on. No. There's not a dog. Don't give him that. No. No. You can't feed him that. No. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do something else, okay? Jaden, let's go.